Finally close our ceremony. Miss Lujel Beck of grade 11 will now deliver her closing remarks. How about a big round of applause?
To our dear guest speaker, Sir Dr. Ramel John R. Tamargo, to our principal, Sir retired Colonel Sir Gilmar N. Galicia, to the most beautiful late principal, Dr. Wilma U. Galicia, administrators, teachers and staff, parents and families, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is indeed a great accomplishment for us to reap the fruit of our labor. This is the time that we are rewarded for all those sleepless nights, early morning reviews, and restless trainings and drills. After all we've been through, today is finally the day. The day to look at each other's smiling faces, beaming with triumph and a great feeling of accomplishment. But this is also the day to bid farewell to our old selves and welcome our new version. However, this is not the end of our journey because learning never stops. After today, windows of opportunities will come to our way. So let us use our experiences, achievements, lessons as a weapon that will help us through the obstacles that we may face or encounter. Let us make our hearts our greatest ally and our values our greatest shield. Before I formally close the program, I just want to express our deepest gratitude to our dear guest speaker. You really inspired us with a meaningful message and useful tips you have delivered. To our parents, who is beside us since day one. To our families who love us unconditionally. To Santo Niño de Braga Academy that serve as the instrument of learning for every Bragainian. To our friends who became the support mechanism throughout the entire school year. And to all the person who guided us on our own way. Our sincere thank you to all of you. May this momentous occasion may hold dearly in your hearts and in your mind forever. Muli,